remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything that two of us can't do. Through the years, you never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it seemed to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt. We'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the years. Through the years, you never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years.
Hi, Ate Ana! O, diba Cagayan presents? Good luck sa next journey mo. Good luck sa inyo ni Kuya Ryan. Miss you so much, Ate Ana. And huwag mo kakalimutan na i-chika. Ayun, magpakabait ka dun and be happy lang. Good luck. Yvonne Riyadh. Yvonne Riyadh. Bye!
Sis! Bakit bigla naman hindi pa ako ready? Bakit iiwan mo na ako? Well, anyway, sis, I'm truly happy for you and your family. Big move yan, and I'm sure that means greener pastures for you and your family. Well, truly, I will miss you, and sana we had more time to see each other. Medyo napalayo lang ako, nandito na ako sa South. Pero, good move. Good move. Very, very happy for you. Well, thank you very much for everything. We will miss you, and God bless.
Hello, Ate Ana. Aalis ko na pala. Mamimiss ka namin. Thank you for everything. We will miss you and God bless you. Mwah.
Hello, Ma'am Josary. May our Lord guide you on your next chapter. Have a safe journey. Ingat ka lagi. Thank you. We will miss you and God bless you.
Hi, Ma'am Josary. Salamat po sa lahat sa pag-consider sa akin, lagi bigyan ng schedule. And good luck po sa new journey nyo. Sana po ay magtagumpay po kayo. And we will miss you. Thank you and God bless you po. And also your family. Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, Ma'am Ana. Si Mai po ulit sa MSD. Ayan, I just would like to say good luck po sa bago nyong journey in life and thank you so much for sa lahat ng help and of course, I hope that God will always guide you and your family and we will miss you and God bless you. Ingat po lagi.
Hi, Ma'am Josary, Shell from MSD. So, alis ka na pala. Nakakalungkot naman, but then, I'm happy for you. So, kahit saan ka man dalhin ng iyong dalawang paa, I hope you will be happy. And, but then, I want to say thank you sa lahat ng bagay na naitulong niyo sa akin ever since umapak po ako ng Marikina. Thank you talaga. So, every time na mag-book ako sa inyo, super hassle-free. And, again, thank you. We will miss you and God bless.
Hi, Jocelyn. Alis ka na pala ng med station. Nakakalungkot naman. Pero, I know that this is for the best. Especially for you and your family. Alam mo, the few times na nagkasama tayo sa mga duty natin, we really enjoyed working with you. Siyempre, kasama na yung mga chikahan natin. Anyway, good luck sa iyong new endeavor, new adventures, and thank you. We will miss you. God bless.
Hi, Ma'am Jocelyn. And thank you so much. It was a pleasure working with you, ma'am. Thank you for your kindness and your help, especially on those hectic days natin sa vaccination. Napaka-grateful namin mga nurses because of you kasi pinagagaan mo yung trabaho namin. Stay humble and down to earth na kung ano-ano una kitang nakasama hanggang ngayon, ganun ka pa rin. Huwag kang magbabago, ma'am. I pray that you achieve great success on your new journey. And I wish you the best of luck on your future endeavors. We will miss you, ma'am. Thank you again. God bless you. Till we meet again and see you around.
Hi, Ate Ann. It's Camille. Finally, yay! You know how hard we prayed and now it's finally happening. I'm very happy for you, Kuya Ryan, Ram, and I'm sure si Miggy din soon. You inspire me because I know how you stayed faithful in your long season of waiting. And like always, I'm here for you pa din and always just a message away. I love you. Bye.